Oi, my name is André Cardoso and I'm a game developer currently working with Unity. I'm also the creator of the Mix and Jam YouTube channel. I'm deeply passionate about building games and finding new creative ways to solve problems. To do so, Unity is an essential part of my process. As someone who didn't have a background in programming, I thought my options in the field were limited. But this innovative game engine software became my gateway to the industry thanks to its accessible tools and supportive community. I like to think of Unity as a creative canvas that we can take adventures from our mind and turn them into reality. In other words, it's a free and invaluable resource for anyone who wants to prototype, design, or even launch their own games. In this Domestika Basics for Unity, I'll teach you how to use Unity to do just that through 7 courses. In the first course, we'll take a look at the interface, along with how to create and manipulate basic objects. Then in course 2, we'll dive into the main tools, assets, and components. We will discover game logic in course 3, exploring the fundamentals of creating and editing code before adding personality to our work through motion. In course 4, we'll learn how to create animation clips and how to transition between them. Then, we will build levels to develop our scenes in course 5. Course 6 is all about optimizing the user experience. And in the final course, I'll share my tips and tricks on how to take your basic structure, enhance it so that it's ready to share with the world. And by the end of this basics, you'll be able to turn your game ideas into tangible prototypes from start to finish. To follow my steps, you'll just need access to a device with Unity installed in it. Ready to press play on your very own video game?